2007 Chevy Silverado. This is the new body style. It's not the classic body style, which would still be the cat eye. Gonna do a window, motor, and regulator, passenger side front. We went with the regulator and the motor together because it just seemed like it was easier. And honestly, I think it was like $10 cheaper too. And there's our part number. The tools we're gonna need: tape to hold the window, the infamous 10mm, Phillips screwdriver, I believe, flathead, 3/8 with extensions. This right there. There you go. And then drop it. Why not? And then here, this one shouldn't pop out, and then that just pulls off. And there's cover back here. Take our extension. Got to use the long extension for here. Get your 10mm. That's enough. Go. Alright, now that's done. Now door panel popper. Then you find an area, give her just a little pull while you're going around. If you pop the clips out, it's fine, just put them back in, little fella. Like that. There we go. Now, there's a bunch of wires underneath this, but you can just pop this up. You see, there's like 27 different wires. No, I didn't disconnect the battery for this because you gotta have that in to do the window regulator anyway, so now that's off. You got the little clip for the door handle. Just pull it towards you and then up. Okay, you got these bolts are what hold the window on. There and there. These ones, I think it's all 5 of these, are what hold the regulator and window track. See, and we can get to these bolts right here. We can get to these. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put tape from this side of the window around the other side to hold it. I'm using green. You can use blue, green, red, black. Use duct tape. I mean, it's your choice. I wouldn't vote duct tape, but I mean, all taped up. Maybe I used a little too much tape. Okay, if this falls, it's not my fault. Oh, buddy. Well, it hasn't fallen yet. I mean, worst case, we'll just continue on with the tape and it'll be fine. It'll look good. Okay, that moves. That pops in too. That's good stuff. Sure. Yeah, this is... Oh, I gotta unplug it. That'd probably help. Here. Look at that. Now we gotta see if this is the same one that I bought. Alright, here we are. There's the old one. Here's the new one. I can already see that these are gonna have to get rolled up, so I'm assuming we're gonna plug this in and then hit the switch and roll it up. That way they're up there where they're supposed to be, where the window is. Snip that. Oop, okay. I thought I'd seen another one. Okay, there it is. Don't attack me. And don't forget, you got to take off these little caps on these bottom bolts. There's one. And there's 2. Yes. Let's go that way. Yes. I think I got one. Good work. Something goes there. Well, we'll figure that out. Oh, there's a hole. There it goes. That. What the hell is that? Oh. It'd probably help if I plug the window motor in first, though. What do you think, yeah? Yeah, that's plugged in. Yeah, that says brown. Oh, I didn't know these were color coded. I took a picture for nothing. I gotta turn the key on real quick. Got it plugged back in. It took me a minute. Now we're slowly moving this up here. I'll get this over so you guys can see. Those little arms right there. moving up. But I gotta loosen the bolts so it can go on that window right there before. Alright, now that we got those in, we gotta torque it to 80 inch-pounds. I'm using this, it's a digital one. Up there, 75, 76. You're gonna want to double check and go back over them because it will change once that rubber squeezes down a little bit. I think it's good. We'll be fine. The rest we're just gonna just a little. Ooh, sure, that seems definitely there. That one seems a little. Yeah, this clips in here, pull it a little bit, and then push it in. Done. Now these all got to come through this area. Come on, little fella. Hey, no, you get back here. Set that back on that lip for now. It's fine. I just got to clip these in. So you're brown. Look at that. Black. That's the big black one, isn't it? What's this one? What color is this? Gray. Gray goes there. A little black. There it is. And then a little white. Yeah, I believe. Now just make sure that they ain't got nothing pinched. They shouldn't. Oh wow. Okay, so those aren't lined up anymore. Screwdriver. Move it just a little bit. Oh, that'll be fun. Yeah, they weren't lined up anymore, so I just stuck a screwdriver in there and moved it. Now these clip back in. Door left. So much tape on this. Well, we finally have a window. Okay. Oh my god, it worked. Okay, well it goes down. Actually, I shouldn't be too excited. We gotta get it back up. Ooh, that needs definitely clean. Ooh, that's a lot of dirt. Super. It's so hard. So we're gonna take silicone. And we are gonna wipe that seal. I don't know if you guys heard it, but it was a little bit of silicone in there. A little bit of silicone in there. I don't hear it no more. Oh yeah. Success. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.